All right, so the dogs and I are camping back in the woods behind my house. As you can see, I'm pulling this wagon. We're kind of glamping because I did not pack light. So close to home, have this nice utility wagon, so we are doing it up. This is an old logging trail up behind my house. It's only about a quarter mile of a hike to the spot that I'd like to stay at tonight. So, whew, it's a little bit tough though, pulling this wagon. As you see, she's full. And it is just about 90 degrees right now and humid, so it's definitely a nice hot summer day. Good day to be out in the woods though. The blackberries are ripe. As you see, this logging trail hasn't been used in quite some time. It's grown over with these wild rose bushes. So that is the biggest challenge getting through here, is these rose bushes attaching to everything. And here's where the logging trail intersects with another logging trail. We are going this way. Levels out a little bit here, so not so challenging pulling this wagon. And here we are. This is where we are calling home, sweet home for the night. Still has everything intact for the wagon. All right. So I did roll all those rocks up from the creek and around the site, made a nice little fire ring, and that there is all the sticks that I cleaned up from the ground here. So this is my first time camping back here. It's such a beautiful, peaceful, serene spot. So I'm going to call it home for tonight. Rocky, you're going to be a digger? Oh, Cooper already found the mud. Oh, what are you doing? You do know you have to sleep in the tent with me all muddy and dirty. Oh, la la. All right, we're here. Let's set up. And that is where we will be sleeping. The dog's bed and my bed. Do you like camping, Cooper? He's a good boy. Look at how muddy you got. You like playing in the mud puddles, don't you? We're sleeping in the tent tonight. And there's Rock and Rollers. Rocky and Cooper. Rocky's not so muddy. Oh, look at that. All mud. Thanks, Cooper. Did you see what you did to me, Cooper? Good thing we have your doggy beds for you to sleep in. Cooper's digging for something again. What you looking for, Cooper? That's my digger. And Rocky's just chill, huh? What do you think, Rocky? Why don't we go check out the water situation here? There is a little stream that runs down the hill here. There's a little bit of water. That's where Cooper found the mud. That is fresh peppermint. Very tasty. There's Cooper playing in the mud. Look at all those water bugs. Plenty of water. What you got in your mouth, Rocky? You got leaves. Sit. Good boy. Ready? Good boy. Good boys. Perfect. All right, so who wants a shrimp? Sit down. Sit. No, you gotta sit. You want a shrimp? Good boy. Rocky, you want one? Good boy. Aww. Oh, kissing. That's sweet. Oh, you're giving me kisses too? do you think, Rocky? The boys are tuckered and ready for bed, so we are calling it a night. Sweet dreams, everyone. Cooper came and snuggled right up next to me. You're snoring. Is it time to go out? Is it time to go out? Alright, let's go. Good morning. Well, that was one rainy, wet night, but we survived it. And we finally got a nice little break from the rain. Supposed to rain all day today, though. Cooper's eating blackberries. Finding any, Cooper? Couple of raspberries. There's a lot of berries this year. They're just not ripe quite yet. And look who came to visit, Krista. I'm going to make mini pancakes. A little bit well done, but yummy. And I made one for myself. Look at that. You want a pancake? Just eat it. What's the matter, Cooper? You don't want to leave? It's time to take the tent down, Coops. It's time to take the tent down. It's time to go. Camping's all done. Oh, you too? Are you guys protesting? You don't want to go home? Oh, you're so cute, Rocky. You're so cute. Yes, you are. You're just a good old man. What are you doing in there? It's time to go home. Look at the mud. We are going to have to clean everything good after this mess. Aww, are you pouting because you don't want to go home? We gotta go home, little man. Look at Cooper. You got burdocks in your hair. Look at that. You're all mud. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, Cooper.